Hello, I'm Sukulosas, and today we're going to have a general talk about the world of cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital currencies based on blockchain technology. These currencies are not controlled by a central authority and can be used like any country's currency. In addition, with cryptocurrencies, there are also advantages such as having very few disadvantages and offering instant transfer. In this video, we aim to give you information about the world of crypto money, but there is no suggestion or recommendation for you to invest. If you want to know more about this field and talk about the future of the cryptocurrency world, keep watching our video.
Introduction. Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that allows developers to build decentralized applications, dApps, and smart contracts. It was created by Vitalik Buterin in 2015 and has quickly become one of the most popular blockchain platforms in the world. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is a decentralized blockchain platform that uses smart contracts to enable developers to create dApps. It has its cryptocurrency called Ether, ETH, and provides a secure and transparent platform for decentralized applications. The platform operates on a proof-of-work consensus algorithm, but it is currently transitioning to a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm. What are smart contracts? Smart contracts are self-executing contracts that automate the enforcement of an agreement between two parties. They are stored on the blockchain, making them tamper-proof and transparent. Smart contracts can be used to automate complex business processes, such as supply chain management, and eliminate the need for intermediaries. What is the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM)? The Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) is the runtime environment for smart contracts on the Ethereum platform. It is a sandboxed environment that isolates smart contracts from the rest of the system, ensuring that they cannot interfere with other contracts or the underlying blockchain. The EVM executes smart contracts written in high-level programming languages, such as Solidity. What is Ether, ETH? Ether, ETH, is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum platform. It is used to pay for transaction fees and computational services on the platform. Ether can also be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges and used as a store of value. What are decentralized applications, dApps? Decentralized applications, dApps, are applications that run on a decentralized blockchain platform, such as Ethereum. dApps are designed to be transparent, secure, and tamper-proof, and they eliminate the need for intermediaries. dApps can be used for a wide range of purposes, such as voting, gaming, and finance. What is the future of Ethereum? The future of Ethereum looks promising, as it continues to be one of the most popular blockchain platforms in the world. The platform is currently undergoing a major upgrade, known as Ethereum 2.0, which will transition it from a proof-of-work consensus algorithm to a proof-of-stake consensus algorithm. This upgrade will increase the scalability and security of the platform, making it more efficient and secure. Additionally, the popularity of DeFi, decentralized finance, applications built on Ethereum is expected to continue to grow, driving demand for the platform and its native cryptocurrency, Ether. Conclusion. In conclusion, Ethereum is a powerful blockchain platform that enables developers to build decentralized applications and smart contracts. It is supported by a thriving community of developers and users and is undergoing major upgrades to improve its scalability and security. As a result, Ethereum is likely to remain a popular platform for building decentralized applications and supporting the growth of the decentralized finance ecosystem.